To all my students, take out your new Radiant Readers Class 5 book. Today I will start the new chapter, and the name of the chapter is The Boy Who Loved Music 1. More than 300 years ago, there lived in a small town in Germany a boy named George Friedrich Handel. George's father was a doctor who was well known for his skill. So, in more than 300 years ago, in a small town in Germany, a boy called George Friedrich Handel was living, and his father was a doctor and he was known well for his skill. Someday, George, you too will become famous, said the old doctor to his son one morning. Perhaps you will be a great doctor. Someday, George, you will become a famous, said the doctor to his son. Means the father was saying to his son, one day you will also become a famous doctor and you will be a great doctor. And he is saying that you will become a great doctor. George's father is saying to his son. George shook his head and said, I have no wish to be a doctor, father. So George shook his head and said, I don't want to become a doctor, he said to his father. Then perhaps you will be a great judge, said the doctor. So the doctor said, you will become a judge. His father said to his son, you will become the judge. I have no wish to be either a judge or a doctor, replied the boy. I want to give my life to music. I want to be able to play beautiful music just like those great masters about whom I have heard so much. Yes, and someday I want to be able to write music of my own. So he said, I don't want to become a judge or a doctor. The boy said to his son, I want to give my life to music. I want to play a beautiful music just like my masters whom I have heard so much, and I want to write music for my own. What nonsense is this, child? Cried the doctor angrily. No son of mine shall waste his time at music. Be off to school. Perhaps your book will drive such folly out of your head. So what nonsense is this, a child? So doctor angrily said, no son of mine, my son will not waste his time at music. The doctor is saying to his son, and when your school will off, your book will drive such a full of your head. Means it will fully out of your head. Means it will be foolish. Fully means fully out of your head. Your head will full of foolishness. So George went out to school, but neither books nor lesson could drive away his great love for music. Often unknown to his father, he would creep around to the open door of one of the town's churches in order to listen to the playing of the great organ. So George, after school, neither his book nor lesson could make him away from music, which he loved very much. And often unknown to his father, he would move slowly in order to avoid being noticed, to open the door of he would open the town's churches so that he could listen the music of the great organ. Organ is a musical instrument. Someday I shall be able to play like that, the boy would say to himself as he turned to go home. So someday he said to himself that one day I will also play like this way. The boy was speaking to himself and went to home. George had one great friend, his aunt Anna. She loved her nephew dearly, and he knew how much the boy longed to be able to play. So George had a friend also, and his friend was his aunt. His aunt name was Anna. She loved her nephew dearly, and she knew that how much the boy longed to be able to play. One day Aunt Anna led the boy to the attic. So one day Anna led the boy to attic. Attic is a space which is under the roof. Opening the door, she showed him a small and old-fashioned kind of a piano called spinet, which she had secretly hidden there. So by opening the door, she had shown him a small and a fashion kind of piano which was called spinet, which she had secretly kept hidden there. She showed this to his nephew. So that's all.